Choose a grout color by balancing aesthetics, maintenance, and the scale of the space to get the finished look you want. Match grout samples to tile under the room lighting and view them wet and dry to judge final appearance, because grout often darkens when moist and lighting alters perceived hue. For a seamless, expansive look, pick a grout within one shade of the tile tone, and for a defined pattern, pick a grout that contrasts by at least 2 shades, keeping undertones aligned so warm tiles pair with warm grout and cool tiles with cool grout. Consider joint width. Narrow joints under 1/4 of an inch generally read as continuous surface, so color matters less, while wider joints become a visible design element, so choose carefully. Prioritize stain resistance for high traffic or wet areas by selecting grout with a higher density or adding a penetrating sealer after curing, and choose cementitious grout mix to manufacturer ratios for consistent color. Avoid improvised water ratios, which can lighten the cured color. When using colored grout pigments, test on spare tile and let samples cure a full 72 hours, because some pigments develop over time and under grout sealers. For grout that matches patterned or multicolor tile, pick a neutral mid-tone to tie elements together and repeat that neutral in trims or paint to create cohesion. 3 common mistakes are picking color from a display under store fluorescence, which misrepresents home lighting, choosing grout solely on trend without thinking maintenance, and ignoring tile undertones, which causes visible clashes. To fix the first, take actual tile and grout samples home and view them at different times of day. To fix the second, pick grout with stain resistance or plan for regular sealing and maintenance intervals. And to fix the third, compare samples side by side and select grout that shares the dominant undertone, whether yellow, red, or blue, so the pairing reads intentional. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and assess their work by letting us browse projects, read community discussions, and compare real-world experiences. We connect contractors with clients and host an active discussion community where our members share advice on topics like grout color choices and maintenance.